So I've logged in here as a sales manager. As a sales manager, I like to manage things like my profit trend and other things. Dashboards in the past have always been an important part of what Acumatica can do. And maintaining the dashboards and giving extra functionality to them is critical. So at this point, I'm going to turn it over to Jessica so she can show you some of the usability features that we've introduced within the CRM module. Jessica?
Thank you very much, Doug. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assume the role of a sales director, somebody that's interested in leads and lead assignment. And you'll notice that as a sales director or somebody on the marketing side that I do have some brand new leads sitting out there on my dashboard. So I'll take you into those new leads. And why don't we open up one of these brand new leads here? To do that, I can use an Acumatica favorite, which is the side panel. Side panels in Acumatica really make each user's clicks through the system much more efficient, allowing me to access those records directly from a lead entry screen. Now, here on this lead form, you can see that I've collected some information from an online form. Joe filled out his name, he filled out his company name, but it doesn't look like he gave us an address. So I'm going to use a brand new Acumatica feature from 2020 R2 to actually look up his address. So using this address enrichment, I can type in the name of the company or I can type in the address in question to make sure that we're actually utilizing the correct address on this particular contact or lead record. So now that I've entered the business name, I was able to associate that with an address as well. So address enrichment, brand new to Acumatica, obviously ensuring that your information about the addresses in your system is accurate. Pretty good one there.
Jessica, 1 second. We just, as a sales manager, we have an important opportunity that we're working. I think it closed. I was just looking in the system and noticed it was still open. Could you take a look at it? It's an aerospace opportunity. I think we won it, didn't we?
Yeah, you're right. Okay, I forgot to mark it as closed. So let me mark this opportunity as closed. It's a big profitability deal for us. So we should actually see a pretty significant impact on the business now that I have closed this opportunity. Also, I'm going to see that because Acumatica has added a brand new feature that allows me to visit recent records, I can actually go back to the record I was working on before Doug so rudely interrupted me. So another brand new feature up here in the top left. This is our recently viewed records icon. Great from an efficiency and usability standpoint, keeping on that theme of working smarter, not harder. I see the lead that I was just working on a moment ago, so I can go right back to that. But also notice we break this down by category. So if you were looking for an AR invoice that you were working on, you could also select that from the AR invoice section. But I know Mr. Joe Fisher is the lead that I was working on today, so I'll go back to that record. Now, what I wasn't done with here is I need to make sure that the sales rep gets assigned this new lead. And as you know, Acumatica has a notifications engine. We recently have enhanced our notifications engine and we have consolidated everything under our business events. So if I click on the business events, you'll now see that I can not only send an email to the owner of this account, but I can actually send a text message, a push notification, and a whole series of notifications based on the business event. So that is brand new to Acumatica as well, consolidating those notifications under the business event engine. Maxwell is therefore going to be notified that he has a brand new lead. So why don't I pass it over to my sales director again so he can do what he does best and run a report on all of the sales that are out there.